Okay guys, welcome back again. In this video I'm going to teach you how to buy a subscription 6 gig for 1k. Wow, so interesting to know. Now you're gonna dial star 121 hash on your mobile phone, then you click on the smart data, the number 4. Okay, then you go to the 3 or 30 days offer, then you click on send. Okay, now you can see number 1000 for 6 gig. That's the one we're going for. Click on your send. Okay, then you now click on the accept for you to purchase the data. That's how to do it. So if you enjoyed this video, just give it a thumbs up and share the video.